Dash and gauges are installed. The only thing I don't like, I'm gonna have to change, is these lights are really bright. A little too bright for night. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. I could put some blue filter over it or something. Make it look like these guys. And that's pretty cool. Let's see, we'll turn the key. Of course, we got these lights up here, still working. Those ones down there, still working. And these guys, still working. Let's start her up, see how this works. So right about there. 2.5. Might have to set that a little bit later. Idling around 900,000, 800. Okay. Yeah, these are definitely got to turn them down. And they don't go down to dimmer at all. They go from on to off. That's fine. We'll see how it goes. This side has that nice thing across there. Wish that side had it too. Must be missing. That's unfortunate. Now, do we tackle these door skins? Both sides. Decisions. Dino, you love it in there, eh, boy? Is that your new spot to go to sleep? Okay. Alright, I'll let you know what the next tackling job is here. Probably these. I'm waiting on some parts for the wiring here for the door locks and windows. So we'll see how that goes when that comes in. Same with that side. So yeah. There's my tack setup, gauges, the light, shift light.
show you